she's got some work to do here. Nebraska needs to really move those scores from the 9.6s and 9.7s to 9.8s, maybe 9.9. She's had a finger infection, actually, the last week, so just getting back on bars has been an accomplishment for her, but the pressure is on early in this dual meet for the Cornhuskers.
Weiler tip to immediate Ginger, to immediate shoot over. Bonus, 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 my friend. That was great connection. Hitting that handstand on the high bar. Building momentum. Full twisting, double back dismount to a
There you
stick.
go.
That's what Nebraska was looking for.
They needed a big one. Abby Brenner's vault got a 9.85. Sienna Crouse hoping to keep pace.
Right where she needs to be. The Ginger release move, legs glued together to immediate bail or shoot over, depending on